Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox and review the Kynera Celeste Ogreen headphones, and it's a brand new launched by Kynera Celeste, and it's I think their first ever headphone as well. So I'm very excited to review this and try it. And as you can see that the box is very huge and big, and it's also very beautiful. So let's see what specs are we getting. So here are all the specs which you can read by pausing the video, and the box is very huge, and look at the presentation is also very beautiful. It's over ear gaming headphones, but it's for music and movies as well, and I'll tell you later. So I think now let's unbox it. By the way, I really like its box. It's very different from other headphone boxes. Now let's unbox it, and then I'll share my first impressions with you guys. First we get the manual reading, and I'll show you this as well, and you can see that there is so much going on here, and I'll tell you all these things in my review section. And straight away you will see the headphone itself with a very big mic, with very huge mic as well. Let's get it out. So that's it. I think that's it. That's the box for you. So the presentation is very minimal, but it's very effective. Look at the form. Wow. So the presentation is very beautiful and I really liked it. And the box is very beautiful. Now let's see our headphone. So this is the mic, and I'm very excited to test its mic because the Celeste Vibram Pro mic was the best I have ever tried, and now I'm very excited for this as well. And the build quality of the mic is really good, so I'll check it later. And now look at the cables. Very impressive, as you can tell by seeing the video. It's very hard and very amazing finishing, very extraordinary build quality. I'll zoom in for you so that you can take a better look at it. Just look at the presentation and the finishing of the cables. Wow, I have never saw a cable like this before. Have you? It's actually really impressive. So I don't have words to describe this cable. The cable is really fantastic, and it's a USB type A cable, so that's not very familiar, but it's fine. Cable quality is really impressive. And here is our microphone and the system. So as you can see that well, I have to read it again. I have already read it, but this is the Chinese. I have to. So this is it. As you can see that the first one is gaming mode, and the second one is music mode, and the third one is movie mode. Wow, have you ever seen anything like this? And here is our light switch button, which I will show you later that how does it works. Here is our microphone mute button and on button, and similarly this is a volume control button, which is really nice. I will zoom in for you this as well. So this looks very premium and high quality thing. This is my first time seeing anything like this in a headphone. So this is Kynera Celeste first ever headphone, and they have made it brilliantly. Well, I haven't tested it yet, so my final decision will be after testing it and after reviewing it. Now finally let's see the headphone itself. These are very different looking headphones. As you can see that these are not a circle shape. I think that's a diagonal. And look at the quality. I'll show you. Feel it yourself. Very soft cushions, very soft cushions, as you can tell, and these are also very different cushions. And similarly the headband is also very soft, very soft, as you can see in the video. So I'm showing you everything. And the top is also very nice finished, and there you can see it's a glossy finish, and the headphone is looking beautiful. But it has a RGB light, as you can see, which I will show you in my review section, and I will test it as well. So the look of the headphone is very gaming type for gamers, but obviously it's a hi-fi brand, so they have made it for music as well. So like it's a 3-in-1 headphone, so I really like it. So I think there is nothing more to show you. I think now I have to test it, and then I will show you how does it sound and how does it work, and what's its functionality. The first impressions are very good. The box, the presentation, the unboxing experience, the product itself, and the build quality, everything is so perfect. The only thing left is to test its sound quality, and I think that will be all. So I think it will take me 1 to 2 days to fully test it, so I will combine both unboxing and review video together and then upload it. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to my review section. I won't take much time, let's start the review. I have used this headphone for a week now, and I'll be sharing my honest opinion with you guys. I am very impressed by its sound quality, seriously, because it has a very detailed sound, like it's a very complete sound, and you don't feel anything missed in it. And as I mentioned earlier, it has 3 modes: gaming, music and movie mode. And I want to tell you guys that I have tested it all, and you will hear completely different sounds in all 3 modes. Let's talk about the music mode first. Music mode provides a very balanced sound quality. It's neutral, but still the amount of bass in it is very high, and it's very powerful also. So it will give you a lot of enjoyment in music and provide you with the satisfaction you need. Now let's talk about the gaming mode. As soon as you switch from music mode to gaming mode, you get extra clarity added in your sound and also more surrounding bass. It provides a very smooth sound and no latency issues whatsoever. It's picture perfect. And I think another reason it's so quick and smooth is because the cables are too thick, and they have made it really well. And I just don't know how much extra thin cables are inside it, but whatever, it performs very good in gaming mode. And as you guys know that a lot of gamers need a microphone also, so that's why Kainera has provided a professional mic as well. And the best thing is that it's detachable. You can unplug it if you don't want to use it. Now let's test its mic quality. Hello friends, the sound you're hearing right now is coming directly from the microphone of Celeste Ogren headphones. This is an absolutely raw sound with no editing whatsoever, and to me the sound is very good. It's impressive actually. The mic is great, and if it gets edited, it's going to be next level extraordinary. I really like the performance of this mic. Its quality is very good and I absolutely approve it. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section. I am sure gamers will love the performance of this microphone. It's super clear and has very good vocals. It's 10 out of 10. Finally, let's talk about the movie mode. In this mode, you can watch movies, podcast, news, and other stuff like that. This mode lowers the bass a lot and puts more emphasis on the vocal performance. So, this mode also works very well and brilliantly. Apart from this, I will tell you some other good things as well, like the RGB lights are very cool and the headphone is very comfortable and fits tightly, and you can turn off and on the RGB lights. Similarly, a mute option is available for the microphone as well. And beside all this, an application has also been provided where you can do much more customization. It's available, I think, for Windows 7 to Windows 11, I think so. And everything about this headphone is great, but if I had to point out one thing which I didn't like, is it's because it's USB A. So much good headphone and you have given us USB A. What will smartphone users do? But I think it's made for PC users. So in the end, I will just say that you are getting all this for the price of only 99 US dollar, which is just unbelievable because it's a high-end headphone, and I 100% genuinely recommend this because it's a non-regrettable and non-disappointment product. So if you are interested to check out this product, the link is available in the top of the description. Here my review ends. If you have any questions, must ask them in the comments and I will reply you. Be happy, be in peace, goodbye.